Welcome to Master Xauusd. In this video I will analyze gold, BTC, silver, euro USD, DXY for the coming week, which is from 13th July to 17th July. So let's get started. In the previous month, as we discussed, analyzed that this is the weekly resistance of market, which is 4329 and 4271. This zone is the weekly resistance of gold XAUUSD, and this is the, we can say, second resistance or QML area 4550. Gold is sell in weekly and daily time frame, and even in H4 time frame gold is bearish. But fundamentally, because of the NFP data and ongoing war situation, I am looking for buy because this was a dip as we discussed in the previous week. Gold stayed before 4000 level. This was the time. This is the daily time frame. We had wicks below 4000 in the daily time frame, daily chart. So now we move to the 4-hour time frame. In this video I will give at the end a trade that you can practice on demo account. So don't miss this video till end. In the 4-hour time frame, this chart is clearly showing that this is the resistance area. This is the resistance area 4135. If market gives closings above this area, then on the pullback we can look for buy in gold. This would be the level for buying 4105. If market gives closings in 4-hour time frame above 4134, and then we will look for buy on the pullback, and the market may have this much pullback, smaller pullback as well. On the other hand, I am not looking for sell, but it may happen if market sweeps this zone, and then on the confirmation on smaller time frame we can look for sell. If market is not able to give closings above this level, which is 4135, 4135 is the resistance area or supply area. If market sweeps this area and we get confirmation in the smaller time frame, market may fall, which is less likely. Market is expected to go up, but we need closings above this area, which is 4135. Okay, so as I was discussing that I will give a trade. So the trade is very simple. If you are looking for trade, then from here you can buy gold, and your SL is below this low, which is 3941, and you can look for 1:1 target, and the 1:1 target will complete at which point? 4307, almost 4305. If we enter the market for buy, this is 1:1 trade. You can book your maximum profit at this level. Market is expected to go even further. So 4305 would be 1:1, and the second would be 4350. 4305 and then 4350, second TP. So this is the trade that we can practice as fundamentals are in the favor of gold. So now we move to the chart of BTC. The chart of BTC is clearly showing that BTC is bearish. in daily, weekly, every bigger time frame. This was the low after we had change of character or MSS over here, and the next MSS we had over here, and market tested the supply and market has given this TP. So now what we can do in BTC for the coming week, I am looking for sell. This is very good level for selling. This is the level that we had. This is QML area. Okay. And this is the double top. So what we should do, if we get confirmation over here, then we can look for sell. If we get confirmation from the double top, we can look for sell. But whatever we do in trading, we should have an invalidation point. Okay. So if you want to learn how to find the confirmation in the smaller time frame, you can join our mentorship program, which is one-on-one, which I will discuss at the end of this video. So BTC is bearish in daily, weekly time frame. So we are looking for sell. This is the QML area where we can market may fall from this QML area or from this double top. So I am looking for sell in BTC and buy in gold. So now we move to the chart of Euro USD. Euro USD chart is very similar to the chart of gold. This is the supply area. If we have closing above this area, which is 1.1448, 4 are closings above this area, then from this QML, which is 1.4205, 1.4086, this is the area which if market tests we can look for buy, and our stop loss would be below this low or below this double bottom. But we need closings above this level. I am looking buy in Euro USD and in gold. So now we discuss the chart of DXY. DXY is bullish, but this is the support. If DXY falls from here where we have right now 100.96, then this is the support, and even this area is also support area. This area is also support area. Okay, so it may have from this level, but this level is better for buying. So we have discussed BTC, gold, Euro USD, and now we move to the chart of silver. The chart of silver is also similar to the chart of gold and Euro USD. For gold, sorry, for silver to go up, this is the supply area, which is 61. If we have H4 closings above 61, then on the pullback we can look for buy. This is QML area. Market can sweep this area and can go even buy from this double bottom as well, but this is less likely. Market should go from here. But for silver to go up, we need closings above 61. 4 are closing above 61. Now we move to the previous week, our live trading result. And here we have live trading result. I have screenshot what we had in the previous week. Previous week, when the gold was at 4154, when gold was at 4154, now I move to the live chart. This is 1 hour. 4155 and then 4145. We had three trades. We scaled up the trades and the market moved in our direction 1300 pips. So we had three trades and almost market gave us almost 3900 pips. This is the screenshot which I am showing you. This is the screenshot. We had sell from 54 and then from 45, then again from 45, and this was the perfect trade we had the last week. Join our live stream which we do on our other YouTube channel, which is Master FX Moves. I will give that link of that channel in my comment section. I have given you a trade. Let me check out what happens next week for the trade that I gave. You can trade that in demo account, and this is our mentorship program that you can join. You can have one-on-one mentorship or group mentorship. We will make you learn technical analysis. We work on market structure. We will teach you institutional levels, how the waves are formed, what is impulse, what is retracement, what are retracement rules, how we have structure modules, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, and then we will teach you about liquidity. This is the course content. We will teach you in 6 to 8 weeks. Then we will teach you fundamentals, and then with very important thing, trading psychology. You can contact us on this number and we will teach you. Learning is very important. If you do not learn this market, in this market you cannot become profitable. This is very less likely that without a mentor, without proper learning, without risk management, you can never become profitable. You can never become a professional trader. Thank you.